Leaders in manufacturing and transportation share one goal: simplifying the way they deliver for their clients. To do that means remaining flexible in a rapidly changing workforce, where dedicated teams and the tools they use day to day are always evolving, making it more important than ever to stay connected, to communicate and problem solve in industries where agility matters most. Office at Hand provides a suite of tools and services that seamlessly integrates into CRM and ERP platforms, allowing your team to increase efficiency while improving client relationships. Through its unified voice and collaboration platform, Office at Hand brings phone, video, and messaging services together across critical applications to keep your teams connected. Delivering mass notifications and near real-time support during an event, Office at Hand helps you mitigate risk and meet the needs of mobile, distributed workforces head-on. Powering intuitive and scalable solutions that help you better manage gaps in your workforce, while enhancing the insights and capabilities of your entire team. Helping you connect to the future of smart factories, where real-time warehouse and fleet data is collected and shared across your devices. Every capability and line of communication is filtered through a secure network built to keep your company and client data safe. Ultimately, Office at Hand gives our manufacturing and transportation professionals more ways to connect, communicate, and keep their businesses on track. Simplify how you connect with your team so you can continue delivering more with AT&T Office at Hand.
Thanks for watching. For more videos from AT&T Business, click subscribe.